lasses, welcome back to another Wednesday Wind Up, and in today's episode we will be talking about the latest news. See you there. First on today's agenda is the amazing deals for Intel processors. The well-known i3, i7, i5 and i9 processors are becoming very cheap this Cyber Monday. So if you're going to be building a computer, get buying now. Other retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Curry's PC World, they sell curries there, will be selling these CPUs at extremely cheap prices considering their retail price. On today's second agenda, Universal Studio in Japan has announced that an opening date for its long-awaited Nintendo-themed park is coming available to the public in February 4th of 2021. This theme park is actually earlier than expected when Nintendo proposed the project. And with that, let's get on to the third agenda. A bit of amazing news here. Microsoft, that has been proudly discussing its powerful Xbox Series X as the world's most powerful console, could just be fake, as the PS5 with physical gaming tests seems to be showing that it is more powerful than the Xbox Series X. On paper, the Xbox Series X is faster and much more reliable within frames, but on physical tests, the PS5 rules almost a quarter of what the Xbox Series X does. While the Xbox does have slight lead in the 4K ray tracing performance modes, but the high frame rate modes do run better on the PS5. And the dips of less than 40 frames per second on the Xbox Series X with the Devil May Cry Far Cry 5. Microsoft has been marketing deals for Assassin's Creed Valhalla on their Xbox Series X systems with their claim that it is the most powerful console in the world. With this game running on the PS5 version, runs a lot more smoothly, about 120 frames a second than the 60 frames a second it usually runs on. So, with the Xbox Series X falling behind the PS5 with both image quality and resolution in Dirt 5, the PS5 version in image quality mode gets a better texture filtering with the average resolution is higher too. And on the last agenda today, FIFA. The world's best 32 FIFA players have gathered in London to play for the first chance to be crowned world champion of the 2019 FIFA World Cup. Alongside the trophy bragging rights, the winner will also take home about $250,000 in a grand prize. The tournament takes place over 3 days at the O2 in London from the 2nd to the 4th of August, with 16 of the players on PlayStation and 16 on Xbox. So, with that bombshell, lads and lasses, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.